Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel cuvva insurance policy. Okay, so before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind, that is like if you cancel your policy which already started, you will not get any refund if you cancel. Okay, if your policy is not started, then you will get a full refund will take up to like 3 to 5 working days appear in your account. Okay, so now we talk about how to cancel. Basically you can cancel your policy only by using your mobile app. Okay, you need to open your app, you need to chat with their customer support team, and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your policy and they will cancel your policy. Okay, if you are not a technical person, if you don't know anything related to your policy and all, so what you can do one thing, you can also compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. Okay, but make sure you should provide at least 14 days, you can like notice period before cancellation, before prior to your next you can say like policy renewal date. And you need to provide your policy insurance company, and you need to provide your policy number, cancellation reason, and you need to compose a proper composed email. Okay, and once you complete this email, you can send it support@cuvva.com. Okay, once they receive your email, but make sure you need to ask a proof of cancellation also in the email too. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will get in touch with you and they will cancel your policy if possible. If not, they will mention your reason of cancellation. If you not don't get any kind of reply from their side, it means your policy is still active and they are not able to cancel your policy via email. You need to keep in touch with the customer support team by dialing their phone number, or by using your mobile app, by using your chat option. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.